Have you ever wondered what secrets lie beneath the ocean's surface? In the next few seconds, you'll discover some fun facts about fish you probably didn't know. Did you know that fish can actually cough? It's their way of clearing out debris. Some fish, like the parrotfish, sleep in a bubble made of mucus to protect themselves from predators. And ever heard of the flashlight fish? These incredible creatures use bioluminescence to communicate in the dark. Betta fish can breathe air, thanks to a special organ called the labyrinth. And the oldest known fish in the world is a Greenland shark, estimated to be over 400 years old. Like what you see. Subscribe for more astonishing facts. Hit the like button if you found this useful.